How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can get yourself the free trial with Surfshark, the 30-day free trial. Now, obviously, there are two types of free trials with Surfshark. The first type of trial is going to be the 7-day free trial that you can get with your iOS or Android devices. And you can simply get that by downloading the Surfshark application on either device. You can actually use that account to log into your computer's client, so you can actually still use it not only on your Android or iOS, but on your Mac OS or Windows. Now, if you're looking for a longer trial, what you can do is simply take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee. By the way, if you guys are interested in this specific deal right here that gives you 2 extra months for free, you'll be able to claim it in the description down below. So again, what you can do is use any of these plans. You can subscribe to any of these plans and you'll be able to take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee very easily. All you have to do is just subscribe to Surfshark, and in case you don't like the service for whatever reason, you can claim that refund. Just be sure to claim it before the 30th day and you'll get refunded within 3 to 5 business days. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you guys are interested in this specific discount, you'll find it in the description down below. And Surfshark is overall the best budget VPN that can get the job done at the cheapest possible cost without really sacrificing any of the necessary features that you need to keep your devices secure, especially that allows you to secure virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. It's a great VPN overall. So again, if you guys are interested, you'll find the discount in the description down below, and you'll find a full review if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.